Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can download and install the Mega app on your desktop computer. For example, if you've been using the web version of it, so let us guide you through it. So you will need to navigate to your account in the Mega app, for example in the web version on Google Chrome or any other web browser, and click into username in the top right and select settings. From there guys, navigate to transfers here on the left hand side, scroll down, and here you will see the transfer tool. So the Mega desktop app is enabled. Make sure that you enable it and then click into download here. Wait for the download process to be finished, then launch the installation file. Choose the installation language, sorry. So let me switch to English, click into OK, next, I agree, install just for me, next, then select the folder and wait for the installation process to be finished. Let's give it a second. Alright, as you can see, so after or once the installation process has been completed, you may run the Mega app by selecting this checkbox here, click into finish. And then guys, you may log in with your account data. For example, enter the email address here, the password, click into login here. If you're doing this for the first time, you may sign up also using this button here, or if you have forgotten your password, select this option here. So as you can see, the interface language is not English for me, it will be for you, but that's how you download and install it and then log into your account in the Mega app on your desktop computer. Guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.